Hello all traders. Today is Wednesday, 5th of February 2025, and we're going to look at the trades that we have taken on Nasdaq, Dow Jones, and S&P 500 futures and CFDs. If we look at the 1 hour macro chart, we see that the price during the Asian session started to go down and found a support during the London session and bounced back and continued to go up pre-market. And by looking at 10-minute macro chart, we see that after New York market opening, the price went up and then had a deep pullback during the PMI news and found a support, and then buyer came back and pushed the price higher. So our plan of action was to wait till this high volatility calmed down, and when the price react to the resistance and get rejected or past this level, we take long position in a well-established uptrend. So that's what happened, and around 10:20 when the price got rejected at this level and came back to this area and the buyers stayed strong and pushed the price higher, this wave of uptrend here was taken with setup C and T repeatedly on Nasdaq and also on S&P 500. This wave of uptrend here was taken with setup C and T, and all these signals were copied by copy trader to multiple Apex trader funding accounts, and you see here the performance on one of the accounts that shows it was positive with profit factor of 99, which is coming from 89% win rate, all from the long positions we have taken, and the average win to loss ratio was 14. The largest winning trade was 575 and the largest losing trade was $16. So that's the summary of the trades we have taken on some of the futures prop firm accounts. And on the small 5K CFD prop firm account, when I came back at the end of the market, it was very choppy and testing the previous level of resistance. So I reduced the risk and only traded 3 positions on Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P 500. And you see the results here that shows it was all positive. So our total profit is now $70.04 and our profit factor is 3.2. And so far from 120 trades, 99 were winners. That resulted in 82.5% win rate, and our equity curve on the second stage of challenge is still linear with a small drawdown, less than 0.5%. And since the challenge has unlimited time, we will not rush to trade in the past few days when the market volatility was high, and it's important just to maintain the drawdown low, and in a good trendy day, then we will take larger positions to grow the account and pass this stage. So hope this trade taken by the past system for fast scalping on the futures prop firm accounts and also a small CFD prop firm account is useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day.